What up, YouTube? This is your president, the presidential tourist, back with another unboxing video. This is a Ninja Nutri-Blender. It's like one of those other, some also call them like a bullet blender. This is kind of shaped like one, I guess. I wanted to do an unboxing of these. I've had one of these before. I actually bought this one for my mom for Christmas, and she's letting me do an unboxing video on it for you guys. 700 watts, and it comes with what you see. There's different brands, there's different sizes. Some come with more accessories, some come with less accessories. But here it is. This was $59. This is what you get. Here's the manual. This is probably some recipes. See if we can get this out easily. I know she's been wanting one of these again for a while, so I got it for her. There you go. Got the main thing of the whole thing, the bottom part. Whoops. Have to get that. Here it is. Here's the main thing. Oh, you're going to see the back of my head. It's okay. Okay. This is the top to the cup so you could drink out of the one. This is the one you actually would make it in. There you see the blades in the bottom, and this pushes in there. I know it's the last one she had a tendency to leak, so let's hope this one doesn't as much. So there's that. There's not really too much to this. And then here's the spare cup. I think you can also use this. Well, technically, you take that bottom part out, and you can turn the other one into a cup here, but this has a top for this too. So basically you can have two cups. And both of these could probably, I'm assuming, both of these could be used in the blender to blend it up too. So this is what you get. You get the directions with a recipe book. 2 cups, both separate tops. The actual blade part. And that. Voila. Very simple, very straight to the point. But that's it. Alright. Any comments, questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching. This is just a quick unboxing video for you all. Hope you enjoy it. Bye.